My name is R.TANUJA. I have completed my Master of Computer Applications in Reliance Institute of Information and Technology in the year 2025. I am from Vizag. I joined Jspiders in May 2025. I have taken the course of Java Full Stack and the trainers Pawan sir, Prem sir and Divya ma'am. The Pawan sir taught me Java from the scratch. This is very useful for the beginner to understand what is Java and how do we use this Java. And also Prem sir has taught me to write the Spring Boot APIs. Those helped me to clear the interview rounds in the companies. And Divya ma'am taught me SQL queries. These are the fundamental skills for a fresher to join the company. And also in this institute they are providing placement activity and also they are conducting mock interviews for the freshers students, and the HR team has collaborated with each and every student very well. The Kirti ma'am and Manasa ma'am has collaborating, and also they are providing a way to the students to join to explore into the company. Thank you, Jspiders.